Good morning.
Morning.
So welcome again. Today is D-Day. We're gonna get this fence up, and then it's just pretty fine from there.
Yes.
So after this weekend, who knows? 2 weekends we should be done.
Yes, I think so.
And then we actually can do one nice video and show you guys everything from the beginning to the end, which would be really, really nice. So yeah. So today we're just focusing on the palisades, putting it up, clearing wherever we're going to clear to put it up, and that's it today and tomorrow. If you guys do see me with 1 foot, 1 shoe, we had a small accident this morning.
He was cooking for me because I can't cook, and then the oil spilled, and then it spilled on his foot, and now he's got blisters, so we can't put in a shoe on, and there's a lot of stuff here
But
that
it's
can cause
okay.
damage, so we're on a 1 foot.
Yeah, so if I look weird, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
It'll be
Got
okay.
this. Anyway, guys,
Okay.
thanks for coming back. Let's do this thing.
Let's go. Okay. Where the house gonna end up? He's really bailing. Oh my goodness.
Here we cut off about 1/2 meter, putting it on the right hand side, keeping it for later. We actually use it to extend the palisade coming on the left hand side of the pole. It was a little bit long, 3.5 meters, so we needed that 1/2 meter for that. You'll see it shortly coming.
Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep my cool. Nicotine in my veins, flaming up desires. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo. Put me in a mood. Put me in a mood. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings?
This basically explains my whole weekend. A welding helmet to keep the sword dust out of my eyes. I don't know what I was doing, but tells you on my weekend bed.
How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution.
Okay, was my breaking point. Gave up after this point. Foot was throbbing. I had to get further help. Go see someone about it. So yeah, so we called it for the first day, and then went to go see what we can do about it. Had to take it in. The blisters started forming. Put some pictures on the screen. It's a bit gruesome, so just look away if you don't like those things.
It was nothing to do with this.
Yeah, it's nothing to do with this kitchen accident, but it's fine. Yeah, so I'm not gonna put up pictures of it, of how it looks today. It's even bad, even worse.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're running a little bit behind. We're not going to be able to finish this like we wanted to this weekend. It's not going to happen. We're just going to be putting up one more for today. This way we get the daycare cornered off.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, she's going to be cleaning.
Yeah, I'll try and clean up as much as I possibly can today. So.
And while she cleans, I'll be, I guess, resting or being lazy.
Yes, no, helping, healing. The only way you're going to heal is if he sits. And he's stubborn.
Yeah, okay, I'm a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, but anyway, guys.
Let's get this going. Yeah.
Okay, here's a section. 1/2 meter short. Took that piece, added it to it. And then, yeah, we had a small overlap that we basically just welded to each other just to strengthen it. Does mean this will probably be the weakest palisade between all the other palisades. But when I mean the weakest, I mean like you can still hang on it and it's not going to break.
All you left me was a radio, and it goes like ooh, yeah, yeah. And it goes like ooh, yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. And it goes like ooh, yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. Oh, every single song tells me we're through.
Okay, the plastic bag around the foot. Guys, if you got a burn wound, do not put it in a plastic bag in the sun. It turned out to be a very bad idea. Just for the record.
All you left me was a radio, and it goes like ooh, yeah, yeah. And it goes like ooh, yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. And it goes like ooh, yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. Oh, every single song tells me we're through. But I can't turn it off 'cause it's the truth. Yeah, it's the truth. And it goes like and it goes like ooh, yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. Oh, every single song tells me we're through. Yeah, but I can't turn it off 'cause it's the truth.
Didn't finish the thing, obviously reasons. The sun and the foot, and I tried to wrap it, it just didn't work, so we're going to call it. I want to play Doctor Doctor.
Yes, I'll be the nurse.
Oops. And yeah, we're going to look after it a little bit. We'll work every night, do one or two, and then see what we get by next weekend.
Yeah.
Next weekend we've got a massive cleaning coming. Some extra hands coming.
From the school side, yeah, one of the guys from the school is going to help us. So yeah.
Yeah, so
It's gonna be
next
nice.
weekend's going to be awesome. Put some nice time lapse or something.
Yeah, get some exercise done.
Yes.
Okay.
Work this thing.
And our chainsaw broke, so we've been using our hand.
Yes, so those of you saying buy a chainsaw, we got
We got one, but it
just
broke.
keeps on breaking. Anyway,
Anyway,
guys,
okay,
have a
great
lovely
week.
week. And next week I'll see you again.
So, like I said,
Okay, cheers.
Thanks.
Bye bye.